How to change Material You theme colors on Android using the built-in personalization settings. To get started, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Here, scroll down again until you find the Wallpaper option. Then tap on it. Now you will see different wallpaper and theme options available on your device. Tap on the Theme section and browse through the available themes. You can preview different styles and choose the one that matches your preference. Once you find a theme you like, tap on it and select Apply. After that, you can choose where you want to apply the theme. You can select lock screen, home screen, or both, depending on how you want your phone's appearance to change. After selecting your preference, the theme will be applied automatically, updating your phone's overall look. And that's it! You have successfully changed the theme and customized your phone's appearance using the built-in settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Android tips and customization tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the theme and customize the appearance on your Realme Android phone using the built-in personalization settings. To get started, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll